everyone. Today I'm going to be making a dump and bake ground beef casserole with rice. What all goes into the dump and bake ground beef casserole with rice? 1 pound extra lean beef, 96%, 1 28-ounce can diced tomatoes, drained, 1 10.75 ounce can condensed tomato soup, not diluted, 1.5 cups beef broth, 1 cup uncooked long grain white rice, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon minced fresh garlic, and I'll be using the already minced, 1 teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup grated mozzarella cheese, and I've got the really fine shredded, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional for the garnish, fresh parsley or basil. I have the parsley. So let's begin. First thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 375. Next, take your 9x13 pan, or in this case I'm using my Van Casso 3.17 quart casserole dish, and spray it with nonstick cooking spray and set it aside. Take a large mixing bowl, dump in your extra lean ground beef and crumble that up. Add in the drained 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and I got most of it drained. And I'm just kind of mixing it now just to make sure that the ground beef is in small enough pieces. Then add the 10.75 ounce can of condensed tomato soup, not diluted. And it's called dump and bake because you're just dumping everything in a bowl, mixing it up, and then baking it. Then I'm going to mix this again. Be easier to mix if I mix it as I add it, or at least in my opinion anyway. Then add the 1.5 cups of the beef broth. Then add your 1 cup uncooked long grain rice, your 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, your 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, your 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and your 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, or however much you want to taste, and then mix that all together. Take your prepared pan and then pour your hamburger mixture into the pan. Cover up your pan with aluminum foil. Put your dump and bake ground beef casserole with rice in a preheated 375-degree oven and bake it for 60 to 75 minutes until the rice is tender and everything's hot and bubbly. After 70 minutes or 5 minutes before it is done, take it out of the oven and sprinkle the cheese on top of it. 1 cup of mozzarella, and the 1/4 cup of the grated Parmesan. Put it back in the oven uncovered for 5 minutes. So if you would like to, you can garnish it with either fresh basil or fresh parsley. And I have some fresh parsley here that I chopped up. So let's get this dished up and have Dave do a taste test. So here is the dump and bake ground beef casserole with rice. And rounding out the meal is cherry almond gorgonzola salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
That is the dump and bake ground beef casserole with rice.
Oh. Kind of looks like the inside of a burrito without a burrito. Kind of tastes like spaghetti a little bit. I don't think I've had anything like this before. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.